For some startup equipment manufacturers and solution companies, it is common to use membrane switch production services. However, the above types of companies may not have a perfect supply chain system, a matching team of engineers and procurement team. What they need is a company that can provide series of services such as design, production, assembly testing, and quality certification. In one word, they need one-stop membrane switch production service. Then what are the advantages of one-stop service compared to traditional industrial production? Or more precisely, what are the advantages of JRPanel over other manufacturers? 1. Accurate cost accounting for membrane switch manufacturing. If there's one skill that a startup company must have to become bigger and stronger, it is accurate financial planning. These companies can get a complete breakdown of quotes from JRPanel's online pricing page. Then the one-stop membrane switch supplier can also provide processing prototype services as a way to perform functional verification evaluation, thus helping the stage from design solution to finished product testing. 2. Early detection of problems. Another main advantage of machining in a one-stop shop is that any problems can be identified early. Small errors can be perfected before there is any batch production, rather than costly changes and repairs or scrapping of the entire batch. The significant advantage of one-stop membrane switch production is that it also allows for the unified management of data from all processes. Each process is under one big system, avoiding costly rework due to miscommunication between suppliers. A one-stop membrane switch manufacturer is responsible for the entire processing chain. The obvious advantage that results is that a professional engineering and procurement team can save valuable time for the customer, giving them time to focus on marketing and promoting their products to market and developing new products. In addition, one-stop service providers offer services including inventory and shipping for small businesses and startups. The importance of these services cannot be overemphasized, as these modest expenses, when multiplied by time, are a significant cost. Professional one-stop industrial manufacturing. Choose JRPanel.